Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe guys. Everyone want their skins to be a smooth, pimple free and hyperpigmentation free. Here is the remedy guys. I have a soap which is called Rakta Chandan. This is the soap guys. It's Rakta Chandan Ayurvedic soap. Bath away pimples, black marks and pigmentation. You get the soap for only 30 bucks and you can buy this even in any kind of Ayurvedic shop and medical stores, and even you can buy it online like Amazon and Flipkart, but the cost will be more than compared to this medical stores and Ayurvedic shops. Like we discuss about this benefits, I'll remove this product and I'll review. Here you can see it's made up of pure Ayurvedic formulas. What is the benefits? It's a pure Ayurvedic formula for any kind of glowing skin. Very effective for pimples, pigmentation and hyperpigmentations. Then how you can use this? Procedure is like leave a soap lather for nearly 3 minutes, then wash it off within cold water or even hot water guys. Try this for nearly 6 months and find the effective results. Even my skin tone, and even I used to have a lot of pimples in my skin, but after using these I found really changes in my skin. So I suggest you to use this and try it out once. Friends, it's suitable for both dry skin and all type of skin, and I suggest you to try it out once. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.